Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to describe a case, an unusual case. Right now we know that there's so much of confusion when it comes to the traveling of spouse open work permit holders for temporary residents. Well, I have already published a video where I have described even what the confusion is and what are the options. We have seen some unusual scenarios where somebody with a proper authorization was denied boarding a flight and somebody without authorization was taken into Canada. Because the confusion is not just for me and you, it's for the airline staff also, because they are also human beings. So things are totally going in some unusual ways. So this is an unusual case as well. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Of course, I have no way to verify that whatever is claimed in the comment that I have received from my subscriber is 100% correct, but still I am describing it over here so that it helps you guys if it falls in your case, and it's your choice which way you want to go. Because the risk will be totally yours. I'm just describing what my subscriber has said, just to let you know. This is not what my opinion, because if you ask my opinion is go through the site, go through the IRCC site. If you believe should be allowed in based on the criteria, restriction, exemptions, take the printout of those pages, feel confident, and then go to the airport. But anyway, let's read about her experience. Her husband Rahul, that's me. My husband having open work permit since Feb 2020, but waiting for son's visa. In October, he got visa stamped, but from that time I applied 5 times for authorization, even paid huge amount to consultant in Canada for the same, but refused twice, and other mails are not answered yet. After I saw a video of yours about the entry of open work permit holder, then I told my husband to take a risk. Okay, her call. If you don't take now, then it will be too late because visas are expiring in March 2021. Then they booked flight for 2nd Jan with Air in India with return ticket. They asked for authorization at boarding. He gave his approval letter, which is also port of entry document, to them, and then they scanned the document and sent the document to somewhere. After 5 minutes, boarding was done. Wow. So that means the guy who was processing their case was not aware, like, what do you mean by work permit approval letter or authorization letter? Probably he could not distinguish between these. After 5 minutes, boarding was done. At immigration, they didn't ask anything. In flight, experience was not good, like services and cleanliness. Well, I'll not talk anything about it. After arriving Canada, he showed only ArriveCAN app code and written quarantine plan to border officer. And at immigration, they did not ask a single question. Even they told how and when to extend the work permit. That's good. They were cooperative. The experience was so good. They gave my son 6 months stay, but visa remaining is for only 3 months. Okay, that's again really good. So again, like, she took the risk, and probably the airline staff was not trained enough and were allowed to board in. So basically what we are saying is, like, it is generally airline staff, those are actually stopping people. Once people are reaching to Canadian borders, and if you have valid visa and other things, Canadian border officials are not bothering much, and they are allowing you guys to come in. But of course, it's gonna vary case by case, and it's gonna vary based on officers also. There's so much of confusion out there, but anyway, she have managed to get in. Again, I say, I'm just sharing what she has told to me. I have no way to verify, and this is not what I'm telling you to do. What I'm telling you to do is to go through the guidelines, find out if you are allowed to board, and then take the relevant pages, print out, and carry it along with other documents, and go to the airport and show the confidence. This is what my opinion is, but yes, I'm just sharing what she has said. So thanks for watching this, guys.